Hey guys, Mitch here with the TheAudioDabbler YouTube channel, and I'm going to be replacing my MacBook Pro's battery. It's all bulgy and expanding inside the case, and I don't want it to catch fire and burn my house down, and so let's get started. As you can see, my battery has expanded so much that my MacBook will not even close or sit flat on the desk. The battery I got was the VUOHOEG. I don't know how to say it, but I'll leave a link in the description. Here's the battery, little user manual. I'll get to that in a bit. And it came with these 3 or 4 fancy screwdrivers. And so let's flip the case over and start taking the back off. This is actually scarier than I thought it was going to be. These things are super bulgy, and so for this next bit I am going to take this outside just in case they catch on fire. Alright, now I am outside. There's a couple little screws right here. I just don't want this thing to explode and burn the house down. So I'm going to use the dental floss method here. These things are glued in there. So basically I'm just going to take dental floss and pull it like this right here. Back and forth. Apply too much pressure and puncture these bulging little fire bombs. is loose. Three is loose. Together, taped. The key and the mouse pad is right over there, so I don't want to. So once I got the batteries out, finally, I just went through and peeled off and cleaned up all of the residual sticky stuff that they had glued all the batteries in, which I still don't understand, but I don't understand that we're not to a point to where our batteries last forever, and so knowing that they're eventually going to need to be replaced, it just seems that they could come up with some other kind of solution to attach the batteries in and keep them from moving around. But you know, it is Apple and they do what they want to do. So alright, now I'm back upstairs. I did a dry fit and then I just went ahead and went for it. I pulled the battery. The new battery has sticky stuff on it, so I pulled it off and then just put it in there, put the screws back in, put the back on, and then I booted it straight up. It booted just fine, and my mouse works now, so everything seems to be going well. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you found this helpful and useful. I will say, though, that I am a trained professional. I do IT security now, but in the past, I have been a PC technician, and even before that, when I was 6 years old, is when I started taking our VCR apart to clean the heads on it, so that way it would not eat the videotapes, and that it would, play them better. Watched one guy do it when I was 6 at my uncle's house, and I've been doing things like that ever since. And so I've got a little bit of experience doing it. So if you're not too sure, maybe pay a professional. I have watched some videos where they caught fire as they were trying to take the batteries out, which is not good, which is why I did mine outside. But if you are going to take on this thing, then I would definitely use the dental floss method with the MacBooks and just slowly and surely. It may not feel like you're making too much progress, but eventually you will get through the tape. It's like almost like a double-sided tape, I would say. But once you get through those layers, it's a lot easier, and you can just pop them off and then put the new ones in, and all is good. Thumbs ups are always appreciated around here, and if you have not subscribed and you like this kind of content or other kind of, mainly do music production and tutorials for iOS apps for making music, but I do occasionally do review videos for different microphones and things like that. And so yeah, and in the comments below, if you've replaced a battery or have any experience with replacing batteries and things like that, leave a comment below and let us know how it went, and just keep the conversation going in the comments, and let other community members know, hey, I did it, I had no experience and it was great, or hey, I did it and it was horrible, broke the battery, fire, house burned down, I was on the 5 o'clock news, would recommend paying someone to do it. Either way, but that way we can at least be informed and help other people around us. Yeah, other links in the description will be a link to this battery. It was $50 on Amazon. That's US dollars. And then there's a Patreon and a PayPal account if you're into supporting content creators in a monetized way. If not, share it on your favorite social media site, and I will talk to you guys later.